Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to run regressions right inside Google Sheets. Whether you're analyzing sales trends, exploring scientific data, or just curious about relationships in your numbers, knowing how to create a regression can really boost your analytical skills. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll be able to plot your data, add a trend line, and even display the regression equation, all without needing any super specialized software. Let's dive in. First up, you'll want to start with your data neatly arranged in columns. Usually your independent variable should be in one column and the dependent variable in the next. For example, you might have hours studied in column A and test scores in column B. Good organization here saves headaches down the road, so take a moment to make sure your spreadsheet looks tidy. Once your data is ready, go ahead and select it. Just click and drag to highlight both columns. Now up at the top, click on Insert and then choose Chart. This step takes your raw numbers and starts to visualize them, which is where things get interesting. The default chart isn't always what we want, so don't worry if it looks a bit off at first. Next, in the Chart Editor panel that appears on the right, find the option that says Chart Type and select Scatter Chart. Why Scatter Chart? Well, it's perfect for regression analysis because it displays each data point on a grid, letting you see the overall pattern or relationship between your variables. If you're ever unsure, just remember, regression needs a scatter chart, not a line or bar chart. With your scatter chart visible, click over to the Customize tab in the Chart Editor. This is where you'll fine-tune how your chart looks, making it easier to interpret. Within Customize, look for the Series section. This is a key area. Here you can adjust how your data points are displayed, but more importantly, you'll find the option for a trend line. Check that box. Instantly, Google Sheets will draw a line of best fit through your data. This line represents the regression. It's basically Sheets' best estimate of the trend running through your points. If you see the line jump into place, that's a great sign your data are set up correctly. Just below the trendline option, you'll see something called Label. Click on this and select Use Equation from the drop-down menu. What's happening here is that Sheets calculates the mathematical equation for your regression line and puts it right on your chart. This is super useful because it tells you the slope and intercept of the line, or the precise way your independent variable predicts your dependent one. For example, if you're looking at how extra hours of study impact test scores, the equation lets you predict a test score for any number of hours. And that's it, your regression analysis is now complete and visually clear. Take a moment to inspect your chart and equation. If something doesn't look right, like if the trend line seems wild or the equation is confusing, double-check your data for typos or missing values. It's totally normal to tweak things as you get used to the process. So now you know how to create a regression in Google Sheets from scratch, letting you uncover insights in your data in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Sheets trick you want to learn. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical, and friendly tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.